Oh wow, check it out. Got a big oversized load here. Cool. Oh, I wish I would have seen that coming in. Awesome. I missed that one. Yeah, all the truck trailers are gone from Sardinia. Triple Crown trailers are all gone. The wheel sets are on the other side of the tracks, so they're still there. Bogies. Hello folks, JawTooth here. I'm in Sardinia, Ohio today, and the sirens are just now going off. Listen to that. Wait a sec, we got a storm emergency. Got a train too. I like the sirens, so I'm listening to them. Sorry about that. There's the train. Train's getting ready to come across the road. I'd like to live there. Here we go. Wow, there you go. Sirens, train horns, dogs barking. Got it all. Let's go see if we can catch them again. There's the oversized load. I'm still listening to the siren, sorry. What do? Listen to the siren or watch a train? I like both. I used to be a firefighter, that's why I like sirens. Okay, let's go catch a train a second time, folks. Wow, that was cool. Tell me what kind of siren that was in the comments below. That was really cool. Ah, but wait, there's more. Of course always is. Let's see the other side of the train this time. They're eastbound. That's where the new crossing gates and lights are going in. Sorry about shaking. Wow, that was pretty cool. Got both sides of the train here today, folks. Thanks for watching. Got a big storm getting ready to come in. My weather alert radio has been going off. Messed up my camera one time going off. We got the dogs all stirred up too. They're getting ready to close the road over here for about a month, do some work on it too. So thanks for watching. Check out some more of my videos if you got time. Every view really helps my channel. Check out the storm we're getting ready to have here. I'm getting ready to drive into it looks like. I live about 9 or 10 miles west of this spot right here, so I'm driving straight into the storm. They've got the weather alert radios going off, so it looks like we're going to get hit again. This town had a tornado hit. This is Sardinia. Tornado hit here about a month ago. It was a EF0, so it wasn't a very big tornado. It did a little bit of damage, not a whole lot. So we got more storms out here. Also, I just heard on the news there was 3 police officers who got shot in Prestonsburg, Kentucky. And you know, they were executed down there. Someone ambushed them. There was some criminal they were going to serve a warrant on, and they ambushed these 3 cops and killed them. I used to be a firefighter on the Prestonsburg Fire Department years ago. This is a long time ago. So, you know, I lived down there for a little while, and I can't believe that the Prestonsburg Prestonsburg Police Department actually lost a few of its officers. I just saw that on the news just last night, so I don't know. Anyways, here's the storm. We're getting ready to go into it. Woo! Wow, it's starting to come down now. Oh man. Look at that oversized load over there. Sure wish I would have seen that come in. That would have been cool to film that. Well, we got the storm hitting us. This is the one they've been talking about. Live action. Wow. This is pretty bad. Why do I keep getting stuck in this kind of cruddy weather? Wow. Look at that. Live action going on here. The storm's just about to stop at least. what that was about. Okay, everyone, thanks for watching. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so. Hey, if you got time, watch another video. Every view really helps my channel, and it helps pay for that gas. And we got Chessie and Norfie and the slideshow. So thanks for watching, everyone.
Kitty, hi Kitty. What are you doing down there? There's my kitty. Just came in. She was out there in the storm. Whoa. There you go, kitty. Got your little hot dog. Oh, she was out there in the storm the whole time, and they had all kinds of storms, tornado warnings and everything. Poor kitty cat was outside. Chessie, there you go. Time for you, Brandy. There you go. Oh, I got a tail wagging. She like that. Now, where did kitty cat go? You guys stole her hot dog. I gotta find her.